Are you tired of clicking around Coursera, unable to find the video lectures? You know they have to be in there somewhere, but the dashboard feels like a maze. Here is exactly how to access them in under a minute. No more digging through confusing menus. So here is the plan. We will start from your dashboard, click into your specific course, and then open the built-in video player. 3 simple steps, and you will be watching your lecture. Let us walk through it together. First, go ahead and open Coursera and log into your account.
This is the obvious starting point, but make sure you are on the main Coursera website and not on a random search result page. Once you are logged in, you will see the main feed. Now, look at the very top menu bar. You will see a few options there. Click on My Learning. This is your personalized hub. It shows every course you are currently taking and every course you have completed. This is the gateway to all your content, so this is where we need to be. You will see a list or a grid of your courses. Find the one you are working on. For this example, we are going to click on Getting Started in Google Analytics. Just click on the course card, and it will open up the main course page for you. Now, this is where people usually get lost. You are on the course page, and you see all this text and information. Scroll down a little bit on the right side or in the main content area until you see the course materials section. You are looking for the module titles here. Click on Welcome to your guided project, or whatever the first module in your course is called. This expands the module. And here is the really important part. Look at the list of lecture titles. Next to each title, you will see a small icon. It looks like a little play button or a video camera. That is the video icon. Click on that icon right next to the lecture title. And that is it. The built-in Coursera video player will open instantly. You are now watching your lecture. No more clicking around blindly. This process is something we at AI Mastery have walked through countless times. It is one of those tricks that makes the whole platform feel much more straightforward. So, next time you log in, just remember the path. My Learning, your course, the module, and then click that little video icon. You will be watching your lecture in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!